Yeah.
I believe. Hey, stop barking.
It's the last round! Sure you can't give him the scout?
That was
Oh my god!
I'm so glad your mom moved out.
Bitchless?
Sydney.
Sydney. Bitchless?
Sid-
Bitchless? Ah!
Sydney. Sydney.
What
You have
unholy-
neighbors.
I feel like my brain works. It's a little more coarse, a little faster.
Why do you start barking? Why do you anamorph?
I really thought he was about to start barking again.
Sydney, I'm not lying to you, by the way.
There's nothing! There's nothing!
I told you I didn't know. I don't know why you took my word for it. I literally said I didn't know.
I thought the song was to the left, or to the right, No,
You're
it was to the left.
He sounded like Link now, dude.
Ah! Let me up! Uppies! No!
Drift. Why are you? God damn it! Why are you laughing at that?
Yeah.
Why?
Are you laughing at the car that's outside?
Because it's coming from Sydney.
Alright.
You're like phasing in and out of reality.
It's like a small dog.
I saw something and I need to look at it.
When someone is somewhere on that screen. There you go. Hey.
Ah!
Look at that fucking magnum opus of a brain.
No! Ah! No! Okay. Alright, we're fine.
Sydney, some reason I conduct a wellness check on you. The fucking thing's really not- It sounds like somebody's dying.
Fucking wellness. Holy shit, that would be a funny day when that happens. I hope it does now.
Somebody conducts a well. Sir, are you okay? There's reports of screaming and sounds of objects shuffling around. We thought there was a struggle.
Sir, have you been abusing your animals? You hear a dog constantly barking in pain. This game rubs my brain in all the right ways.
Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook.
Yeah. Hot chicken. Tell me what you missing.
Let him cook. No!
And I've heard in certain circles you're called the gigster.
Let's go.